Hi, my name is Anthony. I'm the MSP's sales manager for the APAC region.
Hi, and my name is James Woodabong. I'm the regional partner manager here at LastPass. LastPass is a password management software, and with the MSP program, we're giving MSPs the ability to manage and report on their customers' credentials. If I had to describe LastPass in 3 words, they would be secure, reliable, and efficient.
So how do you make money with LastPass? Well, you can add these kind of LastPass licenses as a part of your security bundle and make additional margin out of it, obviously through your managed service agreements. You can also lower the number of reset password tickets through your customer base because your customers won't have to remember their passwords, so it's gonna be very easier for them to remember. And the other thing is a greenfield. So not every MSP is actually selling password management. So the fact that you can put your foot on the door with something new that they're not offering today is gonna allow you to put your foot on the door into new customers, and then you can go and pretty much just sell them everything else.
How do I increase efficiency with LastPass? Well, our MSP dashboard provides you with a multi-tenanted dashboard that allows you to manage all of your customers from a single pane of glass. We also have security templates that you can pre-build and roll it out to your new customers instead of having to reinvent the wheel every time someone new comes on board. As mentioned before, it will reduce the number of tickets for password resets as the end user just has to remember one master password. Also, ask yourself this question. In the case of an incident, the first thing your clients should do is change the password for every application, as it's likely they are reusing passwords. How long would that take to change the password for every application for everyone in the organization? How could you even track that? Well, with LastPass, you'll be able to do that.
How can we reduce risk with LastPass? Well, by helping end users to generate long and complex passwords with their password generator. Obviously, LastPass will recognize that the URL is not legit and it will not autofill credentials into a random website, right? Also, by providing visibility to the end user admin team, when passwords are weak or are reused by their team, by the employees, then that's obviously gonna reduce the risk as well. Right now, we actually have an integration with Acronis, where Acronis customers can actually manage or do some basic management for LastPass through their console. So that's great. On top of that, the good thing is you can use LastPass to log into every single application or vendor on their Pax8.
For more information on LastPass, please go to partners.lastpass.com or please contact your Pax8 account manager. They'll be able to help you with everything.